Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to prepare pineapple toffee. This is Adjei's kitchen, and please remember to subscribe to our channel. Yes, we have our two ingredients for this delicious dessert. Please let's get started. We have our pineapple and about 1 cup of sugar. Yes, this is our frying pan that we are going to use to prepare our pineapple toffee. First of all, we have to line our pan with an aluminium foil. So we take the measurements of the frying pan and then neatly line our pan with the foil. You see how we have done it neatly.
Ananas.
Now we have washed our pineapples and we are cutting it into slices. You can cut it into any slice that you like. We have put our frying pan on the fire with a medium heat. Now we coat our sliced pineapples with the sugar, one at a time. It really looks so nice when it's coated. Just one at a time. We make sure that the sugar is really absorbed by the pineapple, so as to get the good results of our pineapple toffee. Very well coated. Okay, now we go to our frying pan and then we transfer our coated pineapple into the pan. As usual, one at a time. We arrange it neatly in it and then wait for it to start to heat up. Yes, we can see how it looks like. The sugar is melting, and so we use our stick to give it just a little mix. Not really mixing, but just using the stick to absorb more the sugar. And we see how the sugar is attaining its color. It's turning brown. This really looks appetizing, and to tell you the truth, when it's done, it really looks delicious and it's really tasty.